August is celebrated as the National Space Day. So, in the count of say, I, Samriti, along with my classmates Hansini, Tanishka, and Arushi, will be sharing few things with you all on the Indian Space Program. The Government of India has officially declared August 23rd as the National Space Day to honor the success of Chandrayaan-3 mission, which achieved a safe and soft landing of the Vikram lander and the Shiv Shakti buoyed and deployed the Chandrayaan rover on the lunar surface on 23rd August 2020. National Space Day recognizes significant achievements in space exploration and highlights advancements in space technology. The day is dedicated to inspiring future generations by generating interest in space science and technology among the students and proving them with role models. Following the success of Chandrayaan-3 mission, a one-month-long campaign was announced to celebrate the achievement and inspire the nation. The campaign involved the following events. First, two-day finale at Bharat Mandapam. On the first day of the grand event at Bharat Mandapam, the attendees were treated to comprehensive overview of Indian space programs. The day commenced with an engaging exhibition and release of a significant report that set the stage for the series of focus sessions. On the second day, models for new projects including Chandrayaan-4 and others were unveiled. Second, Space on Wheels, showcasing ISRO's vision for scientific advancement. Space on Wheels projects use mobile buses to tour colleges and universities. The initiative's primary goal was to inform students across the India about ISRO's mission, highlighting ISRO's scientific capabilities and technological advancements. Third, ISRO Space Tutors engaging and educating. ISRO registered space tutors were dedicated educators who mentored students and the public in space science, playing a key role in outreach activities. Lastly, Bharatiya Antariksh Hackathon, a national level hackathon organized by ISRO, was held to discover innovative ideas and solutions in space technology. The event presented students with various problems and statements, encouraging them to develop creative solutions. Now, Suhasini will tell you all about the journey of Chandrayaan-3.
On July 14, 2023, India launched Chandrayaan-3 into space, aiming to land near the moon's south pole, a region no country had ever reached before. After several orbit-raising maneuvers and a long journey, the spacecraft entered lunar orbit on August 5, and the lander separated on August 17. Then came the historic August 23, 2020, when Chandrayaan-3 achieved a safe and soft landing on the moon. With this, India became the first ever country to land near the lunar south pole and only the fourth country to land on the moon. That is a very big achievement for India. The lander and rover did not just land. They moved, explored, and performed several important scientific experiments. They studied the lunar surface, its temperature, seismic activities, plasma environment, and even the elements present in the soil. One exciting moment was on September 3, when the lander successfully performed a small hop, proving that future missions might even return from the moon. The propulsion module played a vital role, carrying the lander to the moon and later returning to the Earth's orbit, showing how advanced our space technology has become. Chandrayaan-3 is a symbol of hard work, innovation, and national pride. It teaches us that with courage and dedication, even the sky is not the limit. Now I request Tanishka to tell us more about the specifications of the lunar module.
Good afternoon, everyone. I will be talking about the propulsion module of the lunar mission. Its main job is to carry the lander and nose rover from a highly elliptical Earth orbit of 170 by 26,500 kilometers and place them safely into a near circular lunar polar orbit of about 100 by 100 kilometers. After this, the module also operates on experimental payload for 3 to 6 months. Structurally, it is modified
Thank you, Anushka. About the launch vehicles. Dr. Vikram Ambalal Sarabhai is a visionary leader often called the father of the Indian space program. He founded the Indian National Committee on Space Research, that is INCOSPAR, which is later that we know today as ISRO. Sounding rockets were the foundational rockets used for atmospheric and space research. The first rockets were from the countries Russia and France. In 1975, the Rohini sounding rocket, the RSR program, was established, marking the first truly Indian sounding rocket. Well, the purpose of launch vehicles is to carry satellites and place them in great heights in required orbits. SLV-3 was India's first experimental satellite launch vehicle. ASLV, being built on the experience gained from SLV-3, proved to be a low-cost intermediate vehicle. PSLV, as we all know, is a third-generation Indian launch vehicle and is also known as the workhouse of ISRO, and it has completed 48 missions and placed satellites in different orbits. GSLV, it is the fourth largest generation Indian launch vehicle and has successfully completed 12 missions. LVM-3 is a three-stage heavy-lift launch vehicle completely indigenized and in development by ISRO and has completed 7 successful launches including Chandrayaan-2 and Chandrayaan-3 missions. SSLV, it is a three-stage vehicle with all solid propulsion stages and has completed 2 successful launches. Human-related launch vehicle, that is HRLV, this is a man-rated version of LVM-3, which is expected to carry 2 or 3 crew members into a low Earth orbit. RFP Technology Demonstrator is an unmanned wing test bed used to evaluate technologies like hypersonic flight and autonomous landing. The first flight test was on May 23rd in the year 2016. RFP landing experiment successfully demonstrated the autonomous landing capability of the RLV. The wing vehicle named Pushpak was released from a helicopter and autonomously landed on a runway, proving the ability to handle high-speed landing from space. Well, that was all from us.